platforms. Extensive support libraries. Python provides a large standard library that has many pre-scripted programming tasks, which reduce the length of the code. Open source community development. It is developed under an OSI-approved open source license, which makes it free to use and distribute. Productivity and speed. Its clean object-oriented design provides enhanced process control capabilities, which contribute to the increase in its speed and productivity. Students, let's know more about Open Source Initiative, a non-profit organization dedicated in promoting open source software. Students, let us find out how to install Python. For installing Python, follow these steps. Number 1. Obtain a Python distribution. You can download different Python distributions from www.python.org/download. For this chapter, we have downloaded Python 3.6.5. Number 2. Python installation process. After downloading the Python distribution, the first and foremost thing is to install the software. Double-click on the downloaded installer software. Click on Run in the dialog box and the installation process starts. Keep following the instructions and keep clicking on the Next button. The Python interpreter is usually installed in a standard location /usr/local/bin/python 3.6 on those machines which is available. Putting /user/local/bin in your Unix shell's search path makes it possible to start it by typing the command. On Windows machines, the Python installation is usually placed in C drive /python 3.6, though you can change this when you are running the installer. Students know the fact that object is an entity that has some characteristics and behavior associated with it to which a specified action is directed. Example, book. Students, now let me tell you how to start with Python. After installing Python, you are ready to work on it. You can work in Python in two ways. Number 1, in interactive mode. Number 2, in script mode. Working in interactive mode. In the interactive mode, the commands are executed line by line, giving the output at the same time. In this mode, the command is typed in front of Python command prompt. For example, if you type 3 plus 6 next to the Python prompt, it will give you a result as 9. Students, note that the Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, executes instructions line by line at a time. It can be downloaded from www.python.org. Students, let's know more. IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is a software application used by programmers to develop the code. To work in interactive mode, follow the process given below. Click on the Start button, then go to All Programs, then go to Python 3.6, then go to IDLE Python 3.6.5. It will open the Python shell where you will see the Python prompt. Type the commands next to the Python prompt and Python will immediately return the output when the Enter key is pressed. Students, note that interactive mode is very useful for the testing code, where you type the commands one at a time and get the result or error immediately. Type the following expressions one by one next to the Python prompt and press the Enter key after every expression. For example, if you directly want to find the product of two numbers, let us say 3 and 6, simply type 3 into 6 next to the Python prompt. Using print main function. Print main is a function which is used to display the specified content on the screen. The content to be displayed is specified within the parentheses. Print bracket in, double quote in, hello world, double quote close, bracket close, will display hello world. Students note that Python is a case-sensitive language. It means that Python differentiates between capital and small alphabets. For example, print P capital and print P small are two different entities for Python, where small p print is a valid command in Python and capital P print is just a word, not a command.